Good morning, Clay Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a 2020 Northwood Arctic Fox. This is the 355Z Grande Ronde Edition. Come on inside, let me show you. As we walk in here, this has the large solid step system with the assist. So it is much lighter than what most everybody else is doing for the fold down step with adjustable legs. Friction hinge door, large assist handle in the entry. Come on in. On the door slide outside, we got the dinette table with, there's two more chairs to go with it with the adjustable table, storage underneath. Dual pane windows is standard. Part of the absolute Northwood package. Large full profile slide, theater seating here, overhead cabinetry, plenty of lights and plug-ins throughout the whole coach. Rear recliners with individual in center table that can be moved wherever you want with a little nightstand next door. Plug-ins on both sides. Again, overhead cabinetry. Nice big panoramic view out the back end. We got the fantastic fan above with variable speed and temperature control with remote on top. This unit's going to have 50 amp service, capable of 2 ACs. This one may have both. I have to check to see the equipment list. Lots of cabinetry, fireplace, solid wood doors, solid surface countertops, plenty of counter space into the kitchen. Again, more cabinetry, full-size microwave convection. Overhead cabinets again there for pots and pans. Solid surface backsplash. Grill top, cooktop, 3-burner with the direct spark. The large Furrion oven, just like at home. Very nice. Drawers and cabinets in the island all the way through. This one is the garbage can. Very nice. With the pop-out corner cabinets, large large double stainless steel sink, residential style with residential faucet. Barrel cabinet on this end as well, pops out for storage. Large 4-door refrigerator, gas and electric. Therefore, no need for inverters and such to run it. To keep it simple, stupid with the gas and electric. Been around forever. Over here at the entry door, we have our control panel. We have our solar panel system here that's going to tell us what's going into the battery. This has solar already on it. Closet here. We'll come in the door, hang up our coat. Nice convenient area for the fuse and breaker panels, so we don't have to unload or empty out a cabinet to get to them. They're right below. Overhead cabinetry there. Residential ceiling fan. Skylight with shade in the kitchen. So we move upstairs into the bathroom. It's a nice big bathroom with the corner neo-angle shower. Porcelain toilet. Plenty of room for your linens in here with the fantastic fan above as well with variable speed and rain sensor. Move into the bedroom slide, king bed with storage. Got a nice area here for drawer space for the dresser drawers. Nice space here for the bedroom TV, which is an option, so you could put one in or have us install it. Again, skylight with shade. Darkens it up, brightens it out, and this one does have the second AC. Again, like I said, king bed with the window next door to the bed there so we can create a breeze blowing through. We do have a nice positive lock for the closet here, all cedar lined. It is also prepped for a washer and dryer system. And then when the door opens up all the way here, we have more shelving over on this side, all cedar lined. So real nice design for the closet system. A little storage stool here or hamper area. Got light switches off to the side here. Nice big windows. Come on outside, let me show you some outside features. It's going to have lots of exterior storage. One of the greatest things with Northwood is they're an independently owned company. They build from the bottom up. They build their own frame and build their own setup. So they're one of the true full builders out there, not an assembler. Baggage doors 1 inch thick, slam latches, access to maintenance there or extra storage. Big, huge basement. Plenty of room there. Again, this is a heated, controlled environment. Carpeted area. Big 10-gallon propane tanks. Large patio awning with LED lights. Exterior patio lights, exterior speakers. The new graphics for the new 2020, as well as the flush LED lights on the exterior. More ride pin box. Best pin box out there as far as I'm concerned. Cold storage here. Or if we wanted to add a gen, it's just pre-wired for a generator. Real diamond plate for rock guard protection. Dual trays, slide outs for the batteries. As well as having the ZAMP powered solar ready for our side portable power supply unit there. Auto leveling system, battery disconnect system. Your docking station here has a separate wall, so if we have a loose connection, we're not spraying water into the basement. Very, very nice. 82 gallons of fresh water. Large 16-gallon gas and electric hot water heater. On-off switch at the light area to light up the area if I'm having to come out and do with my tanks at the evening time or after dark. Large slide here. We look at the tires there. Those are Goodyear G-rated tires. Zerk fittings on the shackles. 6-point auto electric stabilizing system, leveling system. 50 amp power cord reel in the back end. Big ladder on the back end to access up to the roof. What's unique on this floor plan that makes it unique compared to other ones, this one has a front and rear end cap, as well as having the built-in hitch there already built in. And when comparing with other fifth wheels and looking for an all-season fifth wheel, you might go to the side of the slide out here and check that out, because that sidewall here is the same sidewall as we have in the coach. So it is a full all-season coach, even with the slide out. So that's something you may be concerned about if you're looking for that good all-weather package. That's kind of a real quick view on this fifth wheel. If you have any further questions, I've been selling this product for 15 years. I love the product. It's a great product. And if you have any questions or want to talk about it or what we have in stock, make sure you contact me. My name is Clay Thompson with Guaranty RV Center. My direct line is 541-979-1770. Make sure you contact me. I'd be happy to talk. Thanks. Have a great day.